the last couple of months, Google and YouTube have introduced an exciting new capability in terms of accessibility of online video and multimedia, with really tremendous possible implications for authors of instructional multimedia and video in California, where we're required to make all video accessible to persons with hearing impairments, requiring captioning of the video. YouTube has introduced automatic captioning that does voice recognition on the soundtrack of the video and converts it to text. Show you what I mean. Let me bring up one of my videos here that has had this applied to it. Just going to pull up a short example here. And once the video begins playing, we go to the little features button here, select CC, and select transcribe audio, and do
This is a short video that will be used to demonstrate captioning of YouTube videos. We're going to use Overstream, a free captioning service that will allow us to caption a YouTube video by creating a separate caption stream which will play in sync with the YouTube video. We don't actually...
Okay, so the captions are not great. The accuracy is pretty poor, actually, but we do get something. More about that in a minute. But what if your YouTube video does not yet have these machine captions available? Not all of them do at this point, though they're potentially available to all video channels on YouTube as of about 2 days ago. In that event, you can go to get these machine captions for your video. You can go to your video list in YouTube, and let's find a video here of mine that doesn't have them yet. I believe this is one. You'll see after the entry for the video a number of buttons, one of which is labeled captions. If you click on that, if there were captions here, the caption track would be listed right here under available caption tracks. It says there are none there. But just below that, under the heading Machine Transcription, you're told that you can request processing, and that it may take, quote, a few days to get that. In fact, generally it seems to take about 5 minutes, but you can't count on that. To request that, all I do is click on this link right here, and I'm told that Machine Transcription is processing, and chances are within a few minutes the caption track will be available on this video. But let's go back to that other one that we were working with a moment ago, which is right here. I'll go to the captions area on that one, and I have my caption track, my caption text available in this link right here. If I just click on that, I see the actual captions and the time code for their beginning and end within the video. Now, as you saw, these are very imperfect at this point. All voice recognition technology is in its infancy right now, and Google's is especially bad right now. But you can download this file as a simple web page by saving it to a convenient location on your computer. Note the file by default is named captions.sbv. You can change that name if you like. Captions, call it captionsdemo.sbv, and save it. Downloads. Now I'm going to open the folder in which that file is located and find it. It was captions.sbv, so it shouldn't be too hard to come up with here. There we go, .sbv. I just need to open that file up and I can edit it. If I right-click on it and do Open With WordPad, or choose the program and select WordPad if that's not one of your options, the file is presented in an editable form. Okay, I can keep that handy here. There it is on my taskbar down here. And I can go ahead and pull up my YouTube video again. And play it.
This is a short video that will be used to demonstrate captioning of YouTube videos.
Okay. I can bring up my captions, and I can see that this is pretty close to being correct. Probably want to capitalize that. And it didn't get YouTube very well. So that U2 should be YouTube. Funny that it can't recognize that. So I'll make that change. Then I go back and play a little more. Don't be confused. This little video is actually about an alternate method of captioning in YouTube that is different than what we're talking about right now. So we're going to use overstream, not overstring. But I can make these changes very easily. Okay, I cheated. I paused the recording for a minute while I went through and finished up the editing of the captions. More of the same. You get the idea how that works. Once we have the caption file appropriately edited, we can save it as using the same extension as a text document in My Documents. Yes, I want to replace it because I've changed it, fixed it, and renamed it from the original default name. So now I can close WordPad, and I can return to my available tracks. This is the original transcription. I can now add a new caption track and upload the one that I just edited. I'll just browse for that file. I call that captions demo.sbv, and the file proceeds to upload once I select Upload File. This is the new one, the English, indicating the language, of course, and it's not machine transcription. Alright, the position of the newly uploaded caption file at the top of the list indicates that's the one that YouTube is going to use by default. So, if we go back to that video, just access it through YouTube, and start playing it, and make sure that the captions are selected, you'll see that so our edited captions are now being used, and the captions are more or less perfect. So with no investment in software and a relatively small investment in time, though of course that investment in time will increase dramatically with a longer video, we now have a neatly, legally captioned YouTube video which meets the Section 508 requirements for accessibility for the hearing impaired. So, as long as you're willing to put your instructional videos on YouTube and make them publicly available, and as long as they're 10 minutes in length or less, you can use this method to caption these videos quite adequately and relatively easily at no expense. This is truly an exciting new technology, and we're looking forward to see how it develops over the next months and years.